Too many keyframes. This is a problem I experience on a regular basis, and it can cause all kinds of issues. Here's a trick. With a clip selected on the timeline, press Ctrl-V. This shortcut toggles the video animation on and off. This exposes keyframes on the timeline, allowing you to see all of them for a clip. On this one, I accidentally added too many keyframes to the scale of the clip, which caused this unwanted zoom out. While viewing the video animation, I can see that this is the keyframe that's causing the issue. Click to switch the transform to show scale. Click the keyframe and press the delete key to remove it. Keyframes are vital to video editing, and I encourage learning more about it at anawesomeguide.com. Until then, press Ctrl-V when you're done to hide the video animation, and happy editing!